Hi guys, good evening. How has been your day? So today we are going to be talking about the other two logo makers. So we are going to start with the logo maker with the lion head. So I'm going to be clicking on it. So after that we'll be talking about Pixel app, which is the last app and the most complex one out of our logo designers. So I'm clicking on the lion head. So actually, let me go back. I've saved a logo from this before. So let me go back to their interface. So after our Pixel app, we'll be talking about whiteboard animation, which has been one of the most important aspects that a lot of people have been waiting for. So now let's go into create logo. So we will see that we have just 6 to 7 icons. We have the logo, the shape, the text, the BG, the clear, the gallery, the BG, which means the background, the clear, and the share. Now let's start with the logo. So if you click on the logo, it's going to bring on top series of colors, and then below we have all our 3D letters and other 3D logos that we've seen in our previous logo designer. So let's say I'm choosing B now. So after clicking the B, I can easily change the color, but in our previous tutorial, that 3D logo maker, we can't change our color, and that is where this one is more powerful than the other 3D logo maker. So after doing that, let me just shift it a little bit and rotate. I want you to know that I don't have anything in mind. I just want to do this as a freestyle. So let's put another designated A. So BA. So let's rotate a little bit and scale down. So let's pick B. So that is okay. Let me just put barbs there. So let's scale it down a little bit. So after scaling it down, let's position it a little bit of rotate. So I think it's pretty cool like that. So what next? Barbs S. So let's pick an S. Let's pick an S. Okay, this will be good. So let's pick this S. So let's scale it down and then let's rotate and place it into its normal position. So somewhere around there. So I don't need to be shifting it, it's still going to occupy it. So a little bit of rotation. Let me drag it out so I can be able to rotate it. And now let me place it back in its normal position. So that is barbs. So what next? So you can see that after our logos we have shape. So that shape, it is filled with a lot of shapes that you want to use. Anything you want to use, just search through. Another advantage is that you can change it to any color. When you pick any kind of shape, it is going to be white in background, that you even find it difficult to know the exact thing it is. But once you change the picture, you'll be able to see it very well. So you understand what I mean by that now when I pick a logo. So let's click for a logo here. Let me just make it something a little bit of academics. So okay, right, let's use the graduation cap. You can see now, you can see that designated cap, it is white, but if you look at it very well, you realize it is white. But now I've applied a color and now it's become more visible. So let's scale it up a little bit and let's rotate. So let's scale it up a little bit and then rotate. Sorry, I'm picking my recorder instead of the logo. So let's rotate it somewhere around there and let's bring it to the center. Pretty cool. So now what next? You see we have text, but I don't want to text anything since I have used all the 3D letters. So let's go to gallery directly. I don't want to pick anything from my gallery. So let's use background image BG. So let's look for a kind of background that will suit this. So this is talking about academics. So we need something like pen and paper or board or computer, or if you can't find that, you can add something that has the same color as my designs. So let's look for something with the same color. No, that is wrong. Okay, I think you can find something of a little bit academics, and this is pretty cool, but still you can change it to something more better. But if I am to design this for you, I will go to Pinterest to look for a good diagram talking about academics, and then I'm going to place as a background. Oh, this is so worst. We are not talking about pizza here or any kind of restaurant, so that is definitely wrong. So let's click on another one. Good, pretty cool. I love this. There is nothing like a pen or a paper, but it is good. It merges with the color. So let's look for exactly. This is what I've been looking for. You realize that this is even more beautiful, and we're done with the project. We can just save, and that's just it. So exit, and that is how to use the Lionhead logo maker. So let's check this work. So that's just it. It is ready for use. So I really hope you understand this. So next class we are going to be talking about the second 3D logo maker, and then the class after that we'll be talking about Pixel app, the best logo designing app on phone.